Hello, I hope you are well. I'd like to welcome my new subscribers. So today we are going to unpack this little package I've just received from Homeware Design Co in England. I told you in a previous video that they'd stopped shipping to Europe because of customs and tax problems, etc. And now they started shipping again. Yes! There's a little extra tax for France because I'm in France, but frankly, I can't wait to look at these gorgeous colors. So come on, let's open it. Oh, how can I open this? It's like with the bottles, the caps of the bottles. I never know by which end to take the package. And then, when I'm impatient, I has to open it quickly. We don't do things by halves. So I took a range of colors, and I can't remember the name. No, I don't remember the name. I have bought all the range of these colors. So, let's see. Oh, they are gorgeous. Oh, I'm happy. Okay. It's fairy tale, the range of colors. So, we have got a vivid yellow. Very bright yellow. Here it's citrine. Here I've got emerald. Here it's periwinkle, a pretty blue. So all these are for Jesmonite, Eco-Pour, Aqua Cast, all that. I can't wait to use Blue Lagoon. Mermaid. Here I have Princely Purple. This one is Vivid Pink. Now Ruby, a red. Passion, also a red. And this one is Plum. It's a purple. Different purple from the previous. So they are so lovely. They put little samples in. Yes, here it's a little box of waterproofing. It's a wax, and it smells so good you could almost put it on your skin. Oh, here I have amethyst. It's also a violet, but different. When you put it in the product that you see the real color. Here is bold coral, a gorgeous coral color too. And I've got envy, a green. You know what? We are going to use them right away, either with Jesmonite or with Eco-Pour. I haven't decided. I'll make up my mind, make my choice, and I see you in a second. Well, I choose Eco-Pour. As you know, I had a little problem with Eco-Pour some time ago. But in fact, if you reread the instruction carefully, it can happen. There's a layer of liquid that remains on the surface and disappears when it dries, obviously. And that's what happened to me, but I was a little nervous when I see this liquid film. Well, then I'm going to mix my powder, and you can see I've got lots of little cups because I'm going to try 8 colors. If I have prepared enough Eco-Pour. I'm not sure. For this product, the ratio is 100 gram powder and 35 grams of water, and then you just according the powder and the quantity you want. I know I'm going to have to hurry a bit since I want to make these 4 coasters in front of me with different colors. I'm going to have to be a bit quick for once. And so I add the powder to the water and mix well to make sure there are no lumps. Very important. The EcoPour is a little whiter than Jesmonite, but I'm still going to add a little white to it. But my white is clearly sick. I'm going to have to filter it, by the way. The deposit in the bottom is very solid. I don't know why. Well, that will have lightened my mixture a bit. And then I mix carefully. I see that, but I don't think I've done enough, of course. I put my whisk to soak, and I think if I can make 2, I'll be lucky. Yes. I haven't made enough, definitely. I'm going to pour into just 4 cups, so I can make 2 coasters rather than 4 half-filled ones. That would be the best. Well, I'm going to start adding my pigments. I shook my bottles beforehand. This is very important. And I put just a drop. The first one is Princely Purple. You see, just a drop. And the other is Blue Lagoon. Gorgeous color. Just a drop. And then I mix well with my EcoPour. So you can see that what a little drop can do. It's amazing. Oh yes, these pigments are very strong and they are gorgeous. They're really stunning. These little bottles last a long time automatically. Yes. Oh, the Blue Lagoon. Oh, I love this color. So, I mix well. You mustn't have white. I promised myself I'd wear gloves, but of course, no gloves. So, we are going to pour. This will give me an idea of the colors. And now I am going to pour the bold coral. Today I have decided to... I'm not doing any mixing or marbling. All this will allow me, with one drop, to see what these colors look like. I hope this rather defective white won't ruin my preparation. I'm a bit nervous with this white. So, come on, I've got to hurry up a bit. Here, my separation's a bit less clear now. And we are not going to waste the rest of the eco pour. So I'm going to pour the rest in a little jewelry mold. And because I've still got some eco pour left, I'm going to pour it into this square mold. I've got a little idea in mind. We'll see if it works. I really overfilled this one. So I tap a little to get the air bubbles to rise. A little bit. Hope. I cross my finger. Oh, this one. Yes. Overfilled. Overfilled. So let's slide a little here in the other cavity. It's a little bit a mess, but I like the tones on this one. Blue and violet. Oh, a little cleanup. But EcoPour is easy to clean. So you see this sort of thing here, white drops. So I think it's this liquid problem. I hope it's not my white playing tricks on me. We'll see. In the meantime, I let it all dry. So, we'll be right back. This liquid that comes up every time, it makes my bottom look a bit weird. Well, I am obliged to sand. Here, as much as we could see the demarcation, now we can see it a lot less. Let's see the other side, but no, I will start with these little jewels. Yes, it's pretty. It's very summery colors. It's like apricot and lemon ice cream. That one, which had spilled all over the place. Yes, the colors are pretty too. I love them. Very pretty. And I like the softness of the finished product. Very nice. So this one, I'd put all my colors on, but on the other side, no. It's all separated. So, see the other side. It's a little thick for my taste. because in fact I would have liked to make a kind of terrazzo out of it, but that's okay, I'll find a way to use it as is. It's nice, yes. On the other hand, I think I'll have to wait for it to dry a little more. So this one, well, the colors are too mixed up. It's pretty, but too mixed up. And I've got a little hole right in the middle. Fantastic! I've got a little bubble, but not much, really nothing at all. I don't know if you can see here a tiny hole right in the middle, exactly like the other one. As if you have stuck a needle in it. Well, okay. I like these colors. They're very bright, very, very pretty, really. And you saw, with just one drop, even though I only had a few Ecopur, but they look really, really pretty. The colors are really too pretty, too beautiful. So I am going to try all my other colors too. I just show you the result, and you get the idea. So I'm going to try these new colors. So I hope this video enjoyed you. We'll meet again very soon for new adventures. Don't hesitate to subscribe, it's free, and to give me a little thumbs up. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.